Hey guys, it's Dawn here, and I'm trying to do two things at once. I'm trying to see if Neo can film this for me. All right, so I just want to show a quick little exercise. I want to show you the swivel. So that was a swivel. Oh, here he comes down. But I'm too distracted by him. Let's come over here. All right. All right, let's see. So we have pendulum, we have swivel, and what else? We have mount, go forward, and then go backwards. Swivel. You can turn. You can do really tight turns. Swivel backwards. I'm doing really aggressive swivels right now. Why are my swivels so aggressive? There we go. There we go. Trying to just balance. Losing my balance. Losing my balance. All right. Trying to stay more still, but I need to center myself. Hold on. All right. Let me try to get. Center. Center. All right. My brain is not centered right now. All right, let's see. This isn't happening today, is it? All right, let's go forward a little bit. Let's go. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're going to have to back up. Back up, Neil. I didn't mean for you to follow me. All right, you know what? Let's come this way. This is how you lose a drone if a drone is trying to kill you. Just make very quick, sudden movements, apparently. Come on, Neo. To show you guys, then it never works well. It's always when I'm like doing my chores, like over here, I'm gonna grab the trash can and I'm gonna, oh my gosh, there's stuff in here. This is a lot heavier than I thought. I'm gonna wheel around, but as I'm doing this, I want to do things like swivel. I'll just do tasks around and I'm not thinking about it and I'm moving on this. Testing, testing. Like, let's see. All right, let's come back. Testing, testing. All right, let's try this again. Whoops, what was that? Hey, you guys see Crookshanks over there? We should make this a game. Whenever I'm filming at my house, then it's like, here, can you spot? Let's see. I can put my phone down somewhere. Hey, Crooks. Hey. Crookshanks does not like Neo. Toot, toot, toot. We need some music to this. This gets too boring without the music. All right, let me see if I can make it a little easier for me to do stuff. So if I think of stuff like touch this, you know, when I'm just focusing on the task at hand, it's like touch, go back. It's like, okay, I want to swivel over here, I'm gonna swivel over there, swivel here, swivel here. Swivels are just really quick changes in I like that one. I don't think I've ever done that before. Let's see. When I'm like trying to think of what to say or stuff, then you see my movements become a lot more jerky because I'm like, should I do this or this or this? And then I'm not so smooth anymore. But when I'm just like casually rolling around, you know, just doing what I want to do and doing my chores like I normally do, then I'm actually a much better rider. I think the goal is to try and see how long you can stay absolutely. All right. So anyways, as I was saying, I'm doing this on my M10-4 because that's the wheel that is the easiest for me to practice these small maneuvers in. But all of these stabilizing maneuvers are very helpful and they do translate to the larger wheels. So I know that the swivel action is really useful for obstacle avoidance. And when there's something really quick and you need to jerk out of the way, and then going backwards has come in handy before as I'm about to go off a cliff, and I've actually like braked right on the edge and rolled myself backwards. So all of these, you know, small little maneuvers, the stabilizing maneuvers, basically every time you lose your balance, you catch your balance and you regain it, that is gold. Every time you do that, that's practice. And then the goal is to be able to have smaller and smaller movements in order to stay upright or stay really slow maneuvers, I think. Because as we know, momentum makes it easy, right? The standing still takes actual balance. And that's now not the wheel doing it for you. That's actually your body. Very like loud and blah, blah. I want to go fast. I want to go fast. So this is where this is my form of meditation. Is this going slow back to being still? Just for that split second that I was still, that is meditation. And then swivel. All right. And then you might notice that when I start talking again, then, yeah, I kind of just lose it. That was a good one. Joining me today, and I hope that helps, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.